Hi everyone, it's Rochelle here. So I have got some beautiful happy mail to share here. So some of it is from Sarah Lee. It was my birthday last week and she has sent me a pile of goodies. And also a very lovely friend of Sarah Lee's, Lisa, has given some beautiful happy mail for Sarah Lee and for me. Like she included me in the happy mail, and I'm going to put this on my seat because it's a big box and I'm just going to take stuff out. So hang on a minute. Right, I'm going to share the happy mail from Lisa first. And I mean, there is some goodies. Look at these. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, am I feeling spoiled. This is scrumptious. So what has she got here? Look at this cute little packet she's made. I can reuse that. And in here are these beautiful little paper flowers. Like, there's heaps of them. Boy, they're cute. How usable are those? Oh, oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh, that's going to be perfect on my desk with all my other little things like this that I keep on my desk. I did a video about it. Look how cute. Oh, okay. Looks like F-Post paper, I think. Quite a vintagey looking one as well. Oh, that's going to be useful. Some laces, beautiful colours, and stretchy, yes, excellent. Oh, how very kind. What have we got here? Ooh, oh my goodness, just an absolute treasure hunt of things. Beads, pearls, oh how beautiful. And look at those beautiful colours, really neutrally colours. You know, I'm a colourful person, but I wish I could do neutral. I start with neutral, and then I end up being really colourful in my journals. I can't help myself. But I love the neutral the best. What have we got here? Oh, how cute. Snippets of beautiful lace. How absolutely lovely. Oh, that's so soft. Oh, that's so soft. Oh my goodness. Oh, Lisa, aren't you just a darling person? Well, I know what I can send back to you too. Oh, this is good stuff to use, eh? Just that knitting. To put it under things and tuck around the side of things. Oh, oh, this is lovely. And she's obviously seen my blue journals. Oh, cool. Oh, that's neat. So Japanese writing, I think. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. Oh, look at that colour. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's gorgeous. Some beautiful fabrics. Look at these colours. She's really, like, you could make the most beautiful cover out of those, couldn't you? How stunning. Alright, now this little packet, what's in here? Look at this, it's so cute. Mate, look at it. Look at the work she's put into making that. Oh, something on the back. Oh, look, double-sided tape. Oh, I've run out of my little double-sided tape, so that's absolutely perfect. Oh, I love this little bag. What's she got in here? Oh, look. Oh, these are, oh, these are really beautiful. Oh, they're beautiful. And look at is this called eyelash? I think it is. Eyelash thread or wool, or maybe that's eyelash. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? How perfect. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, my brain's going crazy. All the goodies that... And, you know, this is definitely going to have to go in my little journal I'm working on. My little flip-flop. Look at the colours of that. Oh, it's done. Thank you so much. Oh, hang on. Have I got everything from out of there? There might be. I've got a little... Hang on. We're still going. I've got some black one. If you guys can feel this, it's so silky. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, how very, very generous. I love that. Thank you, Lisa. That is the most appreciative thing. And I'm going to get your address and I'm going to send something back to you. Right. Now, what else is in this box? This is that pile there was from Lisa. And this pile here is now from Sarah Lee. And we saw Sarah Lee go to those, oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Those books, that book. Oh, that book, look at that. Oh, come on, Rochelle. That book. I'm lost. I'm just too excited about this. Look at this. This is a tiny little suitcase. Look at it. Oh, it's too cute for words. Stop it. Oh. Okay, I'm going to read this to you guys. My dearest friend, thank you so much for your support and friendship over the past year. I hope you had an amazing birthday and that this belated Prezi brings a smile to your dial. Lots of love, Sarah Lee. Oh, and they look like my cats. I got 3 cats that look like there's that Tabby. Oh, thank you, Sarah Lee. Oh, everything's so pretty. I love this paper. Whenever she wraps something like this, I use it. Look at this washi tape. How cute is that? Okay, I'm going to pull it out off one end, I think. Oh my goodness. Hang on. No, come on, Rochelle. Just tear it open. Yep, I'm going. What do we got? Love that paper. What's in here? This is intriguing. All sorts. Oh no. Yummy. Yummy. Oh my goodness. Look how fabulous. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, cute. Oh my goodness. I just can't even get over this. Look at these little tags, like off clothing or... Oh, how cute. Employee identification cards. Oh, don't you love this? Oh my goodness me. There's other stuff in here. Oh, that's neat. What is that? Some sort of silk. Oh, look, money. Like you would wrap. You would put that back in the day. They would have put this around the money. Oh, can't get into it right now. They would have presumably have done that. Oh, how beautiful. What is that? What the heck? This is fabulous. Oh, that's beautiful. I can't wait to use this stuff. Look, that's a check. And a blank check. Oh, how cool. Oh, this is so cool. You know what? These are all genuine too. These are genuine. Only genuine for Sara Lee, we know that. She loves her genuine vintage and antique things. Oh, they're cool. Oh, oh, so me. Look. Oh, look. Used to be able to collect the stamps and then you'd get one of these. Like what they do in the supermarkets now with points, I guess. How awesome. It's a bag of groceries one. Oh, how much goodies is in here. Oh, that's lovely. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're neat. Look at these little tickets. Look at those. Inspection Bureau. Southern Wayne and Inspection Bureau. Oh, this is like really thin tissue paper. Oh, that's nice. Oh my goodness. Look at this stuff. This is... Oh my goodness. How lucky am I to get 2 prezzies, all of this. Oh, how fabulous. Look at this writing. Lisa's gift, her happy mail to me, and now this beautiful stuff from... I feel so lucky. I feel very spoiled. They're absolutely kind. Look at this. So neat. Older. Oh yes, we could vintage those up. What is this? Oh, cute. Oh, cute. Cute. Scanning that. A German calendar of some sort. German calendar? 19... Uh-oh. Oh, she showed me these. And she said, Rochelle, do you want some? Well, look at those colours. Oh, I can't even get over that. Like, they are more beautiful than I can imagine. Oh my goodness. They are more beautiful than I even realised. She asked me, would you like some of those? Well, no, I would never want those beautiful, beautiful things. And look, she's given me a pile of them. Oh, so lucky. Oh, look. Look at this paper, it's really old. Oh, how delicious. Roses. Roses. And she knows my love. Roses. Wow. Giving me some beautiful roses. What is going on here? We've got plenty of stuff. Oh! Is that she taught us how to tell if it was rag paper. And it should have lines on it. But this is, I don't think this is rag paper. Am I wrong? Maybe it is. It's got lines on it. I think that's rag paper. It feels like rag paper. It's got lines on it. Yep, that's rag paper. Oh, fabulous. These are actual little, I think they're prints of photos. Or are they actual photos? And not glossy. Oh, they're so stunning. Look at that. She's put so much in here. There's so much. She said, you know, birthday present, Rochelle. Oh, cool. Oh, that's beautiful, eh? Look at that. Splendor of France. I mean, I love that sort of advertising. Wow, some really fabulous artwork in there. The paper's amazing. Oh, what's this? Oh my gosh. 1847, November 1915. This is 1847 silver plate. Linen and silverware. Oh wow. This is so gorgeous. I can't even tell you that the colour of this is this beautiful cream. You know, my phone's not going to do it justice. That, oh, heck, we're still going. We're still going, guys. This is going to be a long video. What the heck? What is this? Look at it. Look at the size of it. Oh, wow. Heck. This is some sort of massive ledger. Look how much she's given me. There's heaps of it. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it is beautiful. Oh my goodness me. I wonder if I take this out and have a nosy at what this beautiful thing is. Oh, that might be the cover to that big, is it? Like the inside cover, you know, the fly paper of the book. Oh, it's beautiful. Whatever it is. That is beautiful. Oh, more doilies. Oh, I love my doilies. And you know, she does too. She's got her doilies. So inspired by her with the little doilies like that. Some beautiful linen. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh wow, that is really beautiful, isn't it? That would make the most stunning cover. Especially as I'm going to attempt, she always laughs at me when I say I'm going to attempt a neutral. Oh, that's old. Because I can't do neutral. I've done it once, I think, with one of my flip-flops once. And, and I just always end up going into colour. I can't help myself. Oh, it's a fabulous big map. Oh, it's lovely. And it's got some sort of, it's almost linen paper. Oh, that's so neat. Look at the age on that. Morning. It says morning. This feels so, can you hear the crinkles? Poems, mission work in New Zealand. So this is, must be a, yeah, Auckland, New Zealand. That's cool. For the red rose, I'm sure she gave that to me. Because of that. I bet you she did. That's how she thinks. She thinks Rochelle would love that. Because that's how she thinks. She gives me things I can use. I mean, she's so beautiful. The fragrant garden. Oh. Oh. The fragrant garden. Oh, look. So lovely. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Neutral book, you know, she does the best neutrals, I think. And I'm just going to stick with my colour. Oh, it's so cute. What a gorgeous, gorgeous book. Far out, that is delicious. How's boiled? Oh, some beautiful fabric. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, she's like Lisa, putting the fabrics together. And look how these could be used all together. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a really rich cream and gold colour. And this is fluffy. This is fluffy. What is that of? Some sort of maybe upholstery? That is so cool. I love how she puts this on these. Beautiful lace. The colour of that. Oh, it's really nice. What have we got here? Oh wait, we're not finished. We have also got something in the bottom there. Oh, rose cards. Oh, and they're aged. Can you guys believe the generosity? And her birthday's coming up. Sorry, Sarah Lee, I put it out there. Your birthday is coming up. And I'm going to have to... Oh, this is interesting. I love those. What is this? What is this? I don't know. I'm going to ring her up and ask her. And look, this mustard colour. This mustard colour is so gorgeous. So vibrant. And now we've got this little suitcase, the cutest thing ever. Sorry this has gone long because I've been given so much. No, she didn't. No, she didn't. Did she? Did she? No, she didn't. If she's done what I think she's done and given me. She did. Look. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I actually don't know what to say. This is the most beautiful little thing. And I admired, she showed this to me and I admired it so much. And then she's given it to me. I don't even know what to say. Thank you. Thank you so much. Because I know how much you loved it as well. And you've given it to me. That is the most beautiful present. Thank you so much. And thank you everyone for watching. I know it went on a bit long, but there was so much to go through, and I'm going to go through it all again right now and have a really good nosy and a look at it, and I'm going to find something beautiful to put in that. That, to me, this is... I'll treasure this forever. Thank you, Sarah Lee. And everybody have a great day. Bye everyone. Hope you're all okay. Bye now.